Today we are going to start our first introduction and little bit practical session related to Python. So today we cover just the first section with the normal flow, and I hope it will good to start so that we can easily grab all those things with the syntax and with the descriptions, all those things, right? So I'm going to start. So, what is a Python? First question is right. What is a Python? Python, as I noted here, Python is a high-level programming language used to write instructions that computer can understand and execute. It means like it is giving you the way you can interact with your machine or your hardware part. It is like if whatever you write in your code, in your editor, ID editor, whatever, it will instruct and convert that into in a binary format and then interact with the machine. Why we are calling Python is a high level language? Because Python is the language where it needs to convert on code into the readable for machine or hardware. Because computer just understand about the 0 or 1. It means binary language. It is one of the most popular language today because it's simple, readable, and very versatile. Readable and simple for human. Here, if anyone can easily understand this language, and because of a simple and it it will uh, cover your code in a one line, or we cannot say one line because it's giving a short code in as compared to other language like a Java or C++. If you want to write just a print hello, like a hello world program, so you just need to write a one line here. But in Java and another programming language, you have to write a little bit more than one line. So here is a little bit, and if I if I told about the uses of a Python, so here you can see we can use it in a web development, data science and AI areas, automation, game development, cyber security, and scripting, right? And you can note it down here also, like big companies also used this in us in their system, as like a Google, Netflix, and Instagram. Python is like you can, because of a community is very big of Python, so you can easily understand or debug all those errors related to whatever is come in the future, right? So this is the Python. And if I told about the installation part, so if you are a new your system is a fresh, then you have to use this link, or you can go directly over the Python official website and you can download as per the OS. You can download your package. If you are if you are working on OS on a window, then you can download exe file or install that one, and I can show you where you can need to go. It is taking time, just to wait for a second because my net was is slow. So here you just need to like copy this actually this is the official website of a Python. So here you can download as per your OS like Linux or Unix or Mac OS, Android, and another with Windows also, like you can see here, right? So here is like a native version is also giving the like 3.14. You can check out here, and according to your requirement, you can download from here like which version you want from the window, or suppose you want to be from the window, you just need to click here window, and it will give you here, you will come here, and you can check out all those things like which version as per like a 3.11, and here is the download version. Even whatever you want to download, you can download from here. Every version have a every like based on window, based on the window width, it will give you the all those installer, right? So this is the official website of a Python, and you can download from here. And after download you can check out because in my case so it already installed. I can show you how you can check out like if I told about my Python 3 and version, right, it will show me my version which is installed in uh, my my PC, right, my machine. So you can download from official website, and you can check by this two command line over the terminal or over that CMD. If you are working with the if you are working on a window, you can work with the you can type the CMD, and after CMD you just need to type this command. It will show you Python is installed or not, right? So Python, I hope your Python you already installed in your PC. Now we can come to the like our first program, print hello, right? So you just need to open your terminal. We are going to write. I'm going to write. You can check out. As I already opened my terminal, you can just type your on your terminal Python. Either you can type if you have a multiple version, you can go with the like a Python 3 over there, because it's separate your version as per the separate your folder as per the version. So because I have a multiple version, so we can go with the like a 3, and just hit enter. It will show me a terminal related to Python. So here we can write our first program, just a print welcome to MindBoost tutorials. After typing this simple one-liner code, you just need to hit enter, and you can see your first program is ready. You are able to print your content on the terminal, right? And you can see you can also try at your end, and it will work. I'm sure it will work. Just you need to type as I typed here. You just type on your on your machine, right? And yeah, and simply you have to just type the exit command to exit from your terminal, Python terminal, right? So we have done the first program also. We have done our first program also, which the welcome to Mindboost tutorial, right? And last slide is like we are going to get some knowledge about like Python basics. So we already know about like if we use the print command, so it will display your all the content which is the uh, content. You can see here hello world. This is a constant content text you can say, and it will show on your terminal, which if you see the earlier command we have been type here, right? So here you can see like welcome to Mindboost tutorial. So this is the why it is coming here, because of print statement. We align we given this constant text to the print, and print will print your data on the terminal, right? And if you come to the here like you can see here name. Name is your variable and Rahul is a value. So Python is the language where we don't need to declare our data type. Here if you align with the double quote, it automatically understand like it will all automatically understand like it is a string. And if you giving the age equal to 21 and it does not have a dot or the point or any type, it is containing as like an integer, it automatically it will analyze this uh, value as an integer. So your two variable name and age, so it is automatically understand based on your value. So no need to declare your types here. And third one is like a Python have a comments as per as like other language. We have a single and multi-line comment also. So for the single comment we have to just type the hash symbol, and for the multi-line comments we need to type the slash asterisk, and all those contained within this two strict this two uh, bracket like a slash asterisk or end with the strict slash. So it will comment all those multi-line content, right? So we have done here our basic Python start, and we have read here also like what is a Python, and where we can use this language, and why it is a popular nowadays. And we have also installed our Python from the official site of a Python, and also we checked how it was installed or not. So we already checked this one by this two command, and we also read about this how we can write our first program with the Python so after installing Python, right? And the last one is like we just read some pointer related to basic syntax, and because we will learn in future video all those syntax related, all those data type commands loops, all those things. So that's why we just giving here little bit basic syntax, and during our learning period we will learn all those things, right? All those things, which one like loop, control statement, switch statement, functions, classes, all those things. So we one by one in every video, right? So thank you. If you like this video and my content, and it is a supportable for you, and of course, yeah, you if it is beneficial for you, so please like, share, and comment all comment also. We will we will definitely reply on those kind of comments. Thank you so much.